Every secure financial structure relies on a flawless foundation. This screen is accessed by authorized users only, as it contains critical system configuration. In this video, we will explain how this setup protects your business from costly mistakes. This interface serves as the central nervous system of your company's financial stability, hard-coding rigorous standards into every transaction. Now, imagine your system does not have these controls. Without a strict digital framework, immediate operational chaos takes over. Manual calculations break down, spreadsheets fail, paperwork piles up, as administrative staff struggle to keep track of basic daily rates and deductions. That internal confusion rapidly spills out onto the warehouse floor and into the office. You are suddenly managing angry staff members, fielding endless disputes over incorrect pay, and losing hours to manual recalculations. But the internal disputes are just the beginning. The ultimate external danger arrives when those unchecked, incorrect numbers are transmitted to government entities, triggering severe, unavoidable financial penalties. Without proper configuration, your payroll system shifts from a tool for growth into a dangerous liability. To understand how quickly things go wrong, let's look at the mathematical foundation. This is the salary calculation section on the configuration screen. Under normal conditions, these simple radio buttons dictate the exact daily rate used to calculate every employee's leave and absence deductions. But consider what happens when an accountant enters the wrong calculation assumption. They mistake a 31-day actual month calculation for a fixed 30-day cycle. This single wrong setting creates an invisible financial leak. The system mathematically overpays employees day by day, systematically draining thousands of dollars from your corporate account over a year without setting off a single alarm. When the audit finally catches the error months later, management is forced into the bitter position of demanding clawbacks, taking money back directly from frustrated employees who thought their paychecks were accurate. One overlooked radio button compromises the company's entire cash flow. Now, look at the Wages Protection System, or WPS, compliance fields. Properly configured, this secure bridge links your company's internal banking directly to the Ministry of Labor, ensuring total legal transparency. Missing a single digit in the employer unique ID or bank code causes a total failure of the salary information file. The Salary Information File, or SIF, is the strict digital document required by the government to authorize payroll processing. Without a valid SIF, corporate bank transfers are instantly blocked, and your mandatory compliance checks fail on the spot. This triggers a cascading operational nightmare. Your company faces instant payment paralysis. It causes massive non-compliance fines from the ministry and the complete freezing of your labor file until the data is corrected and resubmitted. In the realm of local compliance, there is zero margin for error. Leaving one field blank has the power to shut down your operations entirely. Finally, notice the automated legal safety locks located at the bottom of the screen. When checked, these act as physical gates. They actively prevent the system from generating a salary sheet if an employee's test period or labor contract has expired. If these locks are ignored, the system unknowingly issues paychecks to a ghost employee, someone whose legal right to work for your company has lapsed. The legal exposure here is severe. Your company is now officially operating with and financially compensating individuals on legally invalid contracts. The ultimate destination of this mistake is ruling labor disputes, costly courtroom action, and deep corporate liability for violating employment laws. These simple checkboxes represent the primary security layer protecting the business from corporate lawsuits. This is exactly why this setup exists in Hinawi ERP, to give you full control and prevent these problems. The software forces you to define the exact rules, engineering a digital environment that prevents every single disaster we just explored. The human result of this control is absolute peace of mind for leadership. Instead of fighting internal chaos, disputing payroll clawbacks, or frantically calling the bank to unblock a frozen labor file, you experience perfect operational harmony and secured assets. True business confidence relies on deploying systems that make errors mathematically impossible, rather than relying on manual fixes after the fact. With the correct configuration, your business operations become your business's strongest protection. Secure your digital fortress today. Reach out to our team to ensure your configurations are airtight. Hinawi ERP is the ultimate shield for